vertical swimming pool heat pump. And you can see there are both water heating and cooling function. The minimum 8 degrees and maximum 40 degrees, and there is auto flow detect. And it is applicable to swimming pool, spa, or fish cultivation. Can be used for household or commercial. And it also use titanium heat exchanger in PVC shell, virtually impervious to water chemistry damage. And it also use the world famous Japanese brand compressor. And it also have a small water temperature difference, only 1 to 5 degrees.
And it is insufficient water flow protection and high or no pressure protection. Auto four-way valve defrost ensure reliably running at the cold ambient temperature. It's medium to -7 degrees C. Widely choose for the heating capacity from 10 kW to 28 kW, and you can get OEM design optional. Different color available, and this unit get CE approval.
Okay, we are going to finish the introduction of the vertical pool heat pump. Do you guys have any questions? Please do send the questions to us now. And we check if any questions by our